Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a tool that's both powerful and complex. Jira Plans, also known as Advanced Roadmaps for Jira Premium and Enterprise. While it offers a lot of features, it's not without its potential drawbacks. So let's break down why some teams will regret working with it. Let's get started. Are you ready to transform your project management? We're here to help you build the best environment and processes using top-notch tools that connect project and workflow management. Many companies struggle with configuration and use cases, but we can drive change, boost adoption, and enhance effectiveness. If you're ready to make a difference and support your team, reach out to us for a free consultation. So why you might regret using Jira Plans? First up, the steep learning curve. Jira Plans introduces a significant level of complexity on top of standard Jira. Understanding how to configure plans, manage dependencies, and interpret data requires some time and effort. For teams used to simpler project management tools, this transition can be overwhelming. There's also the configuration overhead, setting up and maintaining accurate plans. This includes defining issue hierarchies, setting release dates, and managing dependencies. If not done correctly, the plans can become inaccurate and misleading. So if you're thinking about investing time and effort, you might as well settle for a tool with a bigger potential that is more powerful and will serve you for years, offering more features for a similar or smaller price. Next, let's talk about maintenance and accuracy. Jira Plans relies on accurate data from Jira issues. If teams don't consistently update their issues, the plans will become outdated. While this applies to working with other tools as well, due to the lack of live sync, maintaining the synchronization between the plans and actual work requires ongoing effort. Managing complex dependencies can be also challenging if the dependencies are not accurately defined and updated. It can lead to scheduling conflicts and delays. The visual representation of dependencies can become very cluttered, making it difficult to understand the true state of the project. Also, the auto-scheduling does not really handle scheduling tasks based on the dependencies very well. Now let's discuss collaboration and communication. The complexity of Jira Plans can lead to misinterpretations of data, especially among stakeholders who are not familiar with the tool. So clear communication and training are essential to ensure that everyone understands the plans. While it displays the information, it isn't always the best tool for collaborative planning sessions. Other tools do way better in these areas. Finally, let's talk about cost and licensing. Jira Plans is only available in Jira Premium and Enterprise plans, which can be expensive. For smaller teams or organizations with limited budgets, the cost might be not justified, as other tools available on Atlassian's marketplace offer way more value compared to the price. So now that you know the general reasons why Jira Plans might not be the best tool for you, let's explore some features that Jira Plans is missing. Let's begin with resource management. While Jira Plans effectively facilitates team-level allocation, it is important to acknowledge that achieving granular individual workload planning can present challenges. Specifically, factoring in individual holiday plans, absences, skill sets, and precise capacity becomes more complex. By default, you'll be allocating resources at the team level rather than managing the intricacies of each individual's availability and capability. This is an area where advanced resource management tools like BigPicture can add significant value. BigPicture addresses the challenges of granular workload planning. Beyond team allocation, BigPicture enables precise assignment of tasks to individual team members, allowing for deeper understanding of individual capacity. As for skill management, unlike default Jira Plans, BigPicture facilitates the tracking and allocation of resources based on specific skills. This ensures that the right people with the the right expertise are assigned to the appropriate tasks. As for absence and holiday plans, BigPicture provides features for mapping individual absences, including holidays and other time off. This allows for accurate capacity planning and prevents over allocation. Also, BigPicture, through its resources module, offers clear visual representations of individual workloads, highlighting potential bottlenecks and over allocation. Regarding auto scheduling, Jira Plans provides a valuable feature for automatically adjusting task schedules based on defined dependencies and sprint dates. However, it's crucial to understand that this functionality operates within the boundaries of your established schedule and dependency relationships. While effective for standard agile workflows, it may encounter limitations when dealing with highly intricate, non-agile scenarios or complex dependency chains. Here again, BigPicture offers advanced auto-scheduling with different scheduling modes and warnings that will help you auto-schedule your timelines with ease. It supports agile, hybrid, and waterfall planning. When it comes to reporting and analytics, Jira Plans offers valuable overview reports providing a snapshot of plan progress and key metrics. However, users and our clients frequently express a desire for more in-depth, customizable reporting capabilities. Specifically, the ability to generate detailed cross-project reports, perform advanced data analysis, and create highly tailored visualizations is often sought after. While Jira Plans provides a solid foundation for organizations requiring more sophisticated insights into portfolio, performance, resource utilization, and trend analysis, BigPicture or EasyBI may be necessary. These tools can provide deeper dives into data, allow for creation of custom dashboards, and offer more robust trend analysis, empowering data-driven decision making. The portfolio overview within Jira Plans offers the capability to group projects, providing a high-level view of your portfolio. However, visualizing all projects, especially those with intricate and numerous dependencies on a single comprehensive timeline, can become quite challenging. Also, remember about the 5,000 task limit. This is often a showstopper, as you will not be able to visualize all your plans in a single place, which other tools like BigPicture handle very well. While Jira Plans offers filtering and view adjustment options, the sheer volume of data and the complexity of interdependencies can make it difficult to gain a clear, concise overview. In scenarios involving large portfolios with complex cross-project dependencies, project managers may find that supplemental portfolio management tools offer enhanced visualization capabilities such as more interactive Gantt charts, dependency maps, and customizable portfolio dashboards, which provide a more intuitive and manageable representation of the overall portfolio landscape. Jira Plans does offer program board functionality, which is a step towards supporting safe methodology. However, its current implementation has limitations regarding PI planning or program interval planning. While it allows for visualization of work across teams within API, its present structure can make it challenging to fully represent and manage the complexities of a typical PI planning session. For example, you can only fit a single sprint into a PI. Also, users often find the current PI representation less flexible than desired for comprehensive planning, and the visualization of inter-team dependencies and PI objectives requires additional effort. While it's promising start, further development is needed to enhance its suitability for full-scale PI planning activities. Now, when it comes to BigPicture, it not only supports multiple sprints without any limitations within your PI, dependency, color coding, capacity planning options, as well as something that is really missing, which are the objectives. So for your teams, you can display your PI objectives, your team goals, track their planned business values, and something that I hope we'll see soon in Jira Plans as well. Identifying the critical path within Jira Plans necessitates a meticulous analysis of dependencies and timeline. While Jira Plans provide the raw data for such analysis, through dependency tracking and timeline visualization, it lacks a dedicated automated critical path calculation and display feature. Tools like BigPicture offer automated critical path calculation, visual highlighting, and what-if scenario modeling, streamlining the process and providing more reliable insights into project timelines and potential delays. The baseline functionality, which is actually comparing scenarios within Jira Plans, provides a valuable feature for capturing snapshots of your plan, allowing for essential comparison of progress over time. However, many users find the native baseline tracking capabilities quite limited, specifically the ability to perform detailed variance reporting, track changes at a granular task level, and conduct in-depth trend analysis of baseline deviations is often desired. For organizations requiring robust baseline management, tools like BigPicture offer advanced features such as automated variance calculation, visual variance reports, and comprehensive baseline change history, providing more precise insights into project performance and enabling proactive adjustments to mitigate deviations. Jira's risk management, particularly with Jira Plans, offer a foundational level of risk identification and tracking. However, for organizations requiring a comprehensive and proactive approach to risk management, the native capabilities may be limited. To address these needs, BigPicture offers a risk matrix, risk registers, and risk reporting, providing a more robust and data-driven approach to risk mitigation and contingency planning. While Jira provides an audit log, it's primarily designed for administrators, offering a detailed record of a system-level changes. This focus on administrative actions can limit the visibility of detailed change history for regular team members who require insights into specific issues or planned modifications. For teams needing granular tracking of changes, tools like BigPicture can offer enhanced features like issue change history reports, visual change logs, and customizable audit trails, providing greater transparency and accountability within the teams. Jira Plans, while offering timeline visualization, lacks a dedicated and intuitive milestone feature. While users can manually simulate milestones through issue types or other workarounds, this approach can be cumbersome and lacks the visual clarity or dedicated milestone markers. Further, adding markers on a Gantt chart for significant events or key dates is simply not doable. Consequently, highlighting crucial project milestones or tracking critical events becomes less straightforward. To address these limitations, the Gantt chart or other modules of BigPicture provide dedicated milestone management feature, including visual milestone markers, milestone-based reporting, and streamlining the process of highlighting significant events and improving project visibility. Jira offers the potential for over-allocation warnings, but achieving effective resource planning with these warnings often requires significant additional configuration and customization. While users can potentially set up alerts through custom fields, filters, and scripting, this approach can be complex and time-consuming. To streamline resource management and ensure accurate allocations, BigPicture provides automated over-allocation warnings, visual resource utilization report, and advanced resource management capabilities, simplifying the process of identifying and resolving resource conflicts. Jira Plans offers a basic work breakdown structure view, but custom grouping within the WBS is often limited and may necessitate significant manual configuration or workarounds. This lack of flexibility can hinder the ability to organize and visualize project scope according to specific organization needs. Similarly, when aggregating data in a tabular form view, it frequently requires additional configuration or scripting to achieve the desired level of detail and customization. To address these limitations, BigPicture offers enhanced WBS customization options, including flexible custom grouping, hierarchical data visualization, and advanced tabular reporting, providing a more intuitive and effective way to manage and analyze project scope. Before we wrap up, we have an exciting offer for you. If you're looking to enhance your project management capabilities, why not join our free BigPicture training course? It's a fantastic opportunity to learn how to leverage BigPicture's powerful features to streamline your project and improve efficiency. And that's not all, we also offer a free consultation to help you select best project management tools for your needs. Our experts can guide you in transforming your Jira environment into an excellent PPM solution. Don't miss out on this chance. Check the links in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give us thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on project management tools. See you in the next one.